Here we go into MLS, our MLS project. And this is another super duper video, I think, for FSBOs, because the MLS is your secret sauce for for spreading the word to other people in the business. And here it looks like I have a couple of images that need to be moved. All right, so bear with me a little bit. This is happening now with a new release. This may be happening to you over a course of time. I don't want you to be frustrated about that. So let me show you how easy it is when something like this happens to fix it. Okay, so here again, we have some stuff that is not aligned. And in this case here, I happen to know that these outlines don't really move. They're pretty stationary. You can squish them, but you can't really move them. So if we want to make this adjustment over here, we're going to do it with the text. So I'm going to go to the So Do You Want. All right. There's number 1. Want to sell. Whoops, excuse me. So do you want to sell your house? It looked like it had another little thing in there, didn't it? Underneath that, to sell. I don't know what that is. Let me see. But you need, let's see. But you need. See, what I'm doing is I'm just going to the text and I'm moving the text over, eyeballing it for position. Let's see what's under here. Let's see. All right, hold on here. Then you need, that's it. I think we need to make that a little bit smaller. Right, so we go into the font size over here, and let's bring that down to 50 and then move it over a tiny bit more, and then we will move MLS over too. So bear with me here. All right, so I think that that's about right. Let's run that slide through and see if we got it. So you want, okay, and see that little extra text got out of the way there. Perfect, we got it. We're gonna save that. All right, a little bit of troubleshooting here, right? All right, so we've got a question. What is the multiple listing service? Then we have the answers with a check. All right, and then some more messaging over here. The kinetic text. Other types of things that you do when you're working with the MLS, people don't realize that there's a lot of work in managing those listings. So then what are you waiting for? Call me. Here we have our call to action. And then here, ta-dum, you have 2 lines of text here, and it all went onto 1 line. So we'll fix that. Okay. Yes, that seems to be one of the things that happens when they go from one release to another. Sometimes the line breaks just disappear when there were 2 lines. All right, and then we've got a really good call to action over here with your telephone. And then I've got another slide at the back here where you can put in brokerage information, all kinds of things. You can add other slides as well for call to action. Don't put too much. It's already up to 1 minute and 14 seconds. But I think that's pretty cool. All right, so we're going to save our MLS project and move on.